Error code 2124-0240 is a severe issue that affects Nintendo Switch consoles, and it's expected to appear on the Nintendo Switch 2 as well. When you encounter this error, it means Nintendo has blocked your console from accessing their online services, preventing you from playing online games or using Nintendo Switch Online features. The ban directly impacts your console's ability to connect to Nintendo's servers, blocking online features and digital purchases. The most common causes of this error include modifying your console's system, using pirated games or software, exploiting game vulnerabilities, or connecting to unauthorized servers. Unlike some bans that affect only your account, this restriction targets your console's unique hardware identifier, making the ban specific to that particular device. Now, addressing the critical question, can error code 2124-0240 on Nintendo Switch 2 be fixed? Can error code 2124-0240 be fixed? The answer is generally no. This error typically indicates a permanent ban imposed by Nintendo. Nintendo's official policy states there are no reversals for permanent bans. This approach helps maintain the integrity of their platform and is anticipated to carry over to the Nintendo Switch 2. Users often try various methods to circumvent the ban, but these are largely ineffective or carry significant risks. First, contacting Nintendo support. This typically just confirms the ban exists, with no option for reversal. Second, performing a system factory reset. This resets software but does not remove hardware-level bans, making it ineffective for error code 2124-040. Third, attempting third-party hardware modifications or unbanning services. These void your warranty, are highly risky, and may be illegal. They are not recommended. The most effective approaches are prevention and acceptance. Prevent bans by following Nintendo's terms of service strictly. If a ban occurs, accept the limitation and use the console for offline gaming only.